some mac and cheese for this. And here's what the direction says. It says to boil 6 cups of water, stir in pasta, cook 8 to 10 minutes, burn until pasta is tender, stirring off. Okay, so I already have the water boiling. It's not, well, it's starting to, it's getting there. But anyway, yeah, don't mind. I know I need to clean up. Don't judge me. Okay, so I'm gonna go pour the macaroni and cheese, and I'll pour the macaroni and cheese in, and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back, and now I can pour all the macaroni and cheese in, and it's starting to boil now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just wait until it gets tender, and I'm gonna just stir, and just stir until I feel like it's time to put in the cheese, and then stir some more. Oh yeah, and you can with some cheese sauce so we can like make it cheesy. Yeah, cause it's macaroni and cheese. Okay, so now the it's really boiling really good and stuff. I'm not gonna try to get too close to it, but yeah, and the macaroni and cheese is still kind of hard, but it's getting real. Especially, it's getting real soft. It's getting soft right now, so sorry my camera's flagging up. Let me take it over here. Okay, so you can see. Now I'll come back with you when it's completely soft and ready for me to add the cheese in. See in a little bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna
that I know you, the more I want to. Something inside me has changed. I'm so much younger yesterday.
Cause yeah, it's time to put the cheese in. I'll be back when I'm finished putting it in. So now Mom's straining out the water.
You know just what to say. Things just get me, I should just walk away. But I can't.
Make sure you wanna put in the make sure you wanna drain the water out first.
Something inside me has changed. I was so much younger yesterday.
So you just wanna
turn the stove back on.
I didn't know that I was starving till I tasted you. Don't need nobody when you give me the whole damn zoo. By the way, you do things to my body. I didn't know that I was starving till I tasted you. Know just how to make my heart beat faster. Emotional earthquake, bring on disaster.
Okay, so now
you hit me head on, got me weak.
I know it looks a little white
Something
still, but it's not
inside
really.
me has changed.
In
I was so
person,
much
it's
younger
yellow,
yesterday.
but on camera, since my camera's not the best, it's
Yesterday,
kind of orange. Not orange, but I can really
didn't know that
anyway, I'm
starving
done
till I tasted you. Don't need nobody flies when you give me the whole damn zoo. By the way, you do things to my body. I didn't know that I was starving till I tasted you.
And I'm not gonna add any more until
the more that I know you, the more I want to.
so I'm not gonna add any more salt until I'm done, until it's done cooling off, so I can taste it, because I don't want to add no more than I need. So yeah, I'm gonna just let it cool, and I'll be back with y'all when it's done. Okay, so I'm done making it, and I add salt. It does not need any more, and so it tastes pretty good. It don't taste bad at all. And yeah, this is how I made my mac and cheese. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Leave a like and thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Ay. I'm back and I'm better.